How to get random numbers in Microsoft Excel? Like you need random number for any subject, and once you make the enter, it will change the range like this. Enter the equal, and this is the formula RAN. Now select here rand between. Now enter the value like you need 11 to 99. You need the between 11 to 99 or 99. Press enter. Now drag and drop and just select the area where you need. So thanks for watching guys, and comment this video useful for you.